Hi, I'm Mike Simmons from A World of Wings. I've been a professional bird trainer for the last 12 years. I'm today here talking about the Liberta parrot cage range. Hi, I'm Mike Simmons and this is Jay, a Patagonian conure. We're standing here by the Gama by Liberta. This cage is a very ornate cage designed for the smaller parrots. Some of the features include a cage top stand, allowing your bird out of its cage for daily exercise. This cage top stand can be closed as well as open. Going down the cage on the far side, we have 2 bowls on swing feeders, making it very easy to change water and food on a daily basis. To exit and enter, the birds can use this rather large door on the front also, which is locked in place by this spring system. For easy cleaning, there's a grill that pours out, protecting your bird from the messy area of the cage. Also, a plastic slide out tray, making it easy for you to clean the cage also. The cage is fixed to a stand, which is in the same ornate fashion, which is on casters, so you can move and roll the cage around. All in all, this is a very ornate cage, which is designed for the smaller parrot.